All right, so this is the battery here. I'm just going to pull it out of here because it's all wrapped up. And give you a look at it. So this we have to put inside the headphones. All right, to figure out which one you've got to open, if you look, this one has a little push on it. So that's the side that we have to open. And this one has nothing. So we're going to do that side right there. So if I push it here, it pops that open. And there you go. And there's where you put your battery. And if you look, you're going to see that it has the little springs right here. Those have to go in the back. So you're going to put your battery in like this. Bam. Show you again. Comes out this way. So to put it in, slide it here, and then just push it in. And bam, it's in. That's it. One more time, so you can see. Pops out very easily like that. That goes to the springs. Push it in, bam, done. Now, to put this on, we're just going to come in here. You bring it back a little ways. See how it's back here? And then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to smush it forward right here. Bam, now it's done. That's it. Ready to go. All right, now we got the battery in here, which is important. And then we're going to charge it. The way we charge it is right here. And it goes on the top of the tower here. So that's how you do that.